Hello, my name is Iselena Molina, and I am from Fred Pfeiffer Middle School. And I have my entry information for graphic design promotion. So I'm going to be screen sharing right now. So this is my logo right here. And the type of editing software I'm using is GIMP. So I have an open book with a starry night background with the book has light in it, and it has multiple photos with a purple background that kind of resembles like clouds and everything. And then I have my theme, which is driven to inspire. The reason why that's my theme is because I believe the people and our organization as a whole, we should be inspired and inspire others for the future generation. Me personally, I want to be inspired and be inspired by others. I want to see the history and the information about our team and our members and from people in the past that have an important meaning towards our organization. So that is why I have an open book to resemble the people in the past, the present, and the future. So yes. What type of tools I used was right here is a zoom tool, which I just go in, and then you can go out. I use multiple layers, but you can't tell because I merged them all. I use the move tool to move around all of my images, and then I also use a free select because I used all my photos from Adobe stock. I had to bring them here and use a free select to cut them out, especially if they did not have a transparent background. So yes, I used the replace the current selection, and then I used the subtract from the current selection. That depends on each photo. And this unified transformation tool, I use the rotate, scale, and the shear for the logo. Most of the stuff used was mostly just for photos. And then I use the paintbrush tool for the type of the purple you see in the background. I use that by having the image, putting a layer mask. I will press that there, and then I'll start using my brush tool. And then, yes, of course, I use my text. Right here is also my flyer that I use. I incorporated the logo in it. I also added the BPA sign, which is the Business Professionals of America. I put text here, which has the date for when it starts and when it ends in the 2025 and what location it is in. I added also the place where it would be in the National Leadership Conference. Right here is the logo, and I just copy and paste that in there. And then I also added this part, which is kind of like a wispy cloud thing that I used with the photos. And then yeah, for the background, I just cut a piece out of the stars and then I copied that in. So yes, that is all I have. I hope you have a wonderful evening and goodbye.